Once there lived a boy in a very small village. His name was Kabir. He was very poor, so poor that most of his pockets were completely empty. His shoes had holes, his school bag, and sometimes he wanted to bat hungry. But there was nothing inside Kabir that nobody could see. It was his dream. He wanted to do something do life, something that would change his destiny and the destiny. But every time Kabir shared his dream, people laughed and they said, how can a boy with empty pockets think about big things? You should only think about earning breath. Their words hurt him, but deep sad Kabir believed that the future was not limited to his parents. Once evening, Kabir he was sitting on the sea, feeling sad. An old white teacher named Guruji saw him and asked, "Why do you look?" Replied Guruji. "My child," Kabir replied. "Guruji, everyone say I cannot do anything great because I am poor. They say my dreams are too big for a boy with nothing in his hands." Guruji smiled and handed him a mirror. He said, "Look into the mirror. What do you see?" Kabir said, "I see myself." Guruji asked, "Do you see the pain in your eyes?" Kabir nodded slowly. Guruji said, "No, look deeper. Can you see the fire?" Kabir looked again, and this time he felt something powerful started. Guruji said, "This fire is your belief, and most people ignore it, may give up. But if you protect his fire, feed it with courage and discipline, it will light your path even in the darkest night." He added, "People will try to cover your mirror with dust, and they will make you believe you are, but you must keep letting, keep saying your true self every day, and never forget what you are capable of." Kabir took the mirror and the message to heart. From that day, he applied the same lesson to his life. He started reading every book he could find. He practiced writing. He learned from every mistake, and he dreamed not of just passing in class, but of becoming something that would change his life fate. And his journey was not easy. His mother was very sick and often needed medicine they could not afford. His father was an old poor farmer who worked all day under the sun and still returned home with empty home. And Kabir knew he had. And every morning Kabir went to school. In the evening he worked at a small tea shop, washing glasses and every schools. On weekends, he helped a local medical, and every night when the village was asleep, Kabir sat under a dim light and studied with full focus. He sacrificed sleep, comfort, even food sometimes, but he never stopped. His mirror, his dream, him, and years passed slowly. He started a small mobile repair business in a he saved every rupees. With a time he opened a tiny electrical shop. He worked day and night, treated every customer with respect, and reinvested every bit he earned with strong will and smart planning. From one shop he opened there, and then he launched his own brand of mobile accessory. These same people who once lodged at him now waited outside his office for a chance work with him. His mother treatment had become regularly, and his father no longer had to work in the nights and day. Guruji visited him one day. Very good.